Hello everyone. On August 12, 2026, millions of people around the world will witness a rare total solar eclipse. In some places, this breathtaking event will be visible for the first time in over a century. But why are space agency and scientists around the world so excited about this eclipse? What makes it so special? In this video, we will explore the science behind this extraordinary event and answer all of these questions. Solar eclipse of 2026 will occur on 12 August 2026. It will be a total solar eclipse. Totality will last up to 2 minutes 18 seconds. Totality is the phase of a total solar eclipse when the moon completely covers the bright face of the sun, as seen from a specific location on Earth. During totality, the sky becomes as dark as twilight, the sun's corona becomes visible, bright planets and some stars may appear. The temperature can drop slightly, animals may behave as if it is evening. Only people inside the path of totality experience this phase. Those outside the path see only a partial solar eclipse. Total solar eclipse will be visible in Greenland, Iceland, Spain, Russia, Portugal, Arctic Ocean. Along with this, partial solar eclipse will be visible in Europe, Canada, USA, Northwestern Africa. Why is solar eclipse 2026 so important? It is the first total solar eclipse over mainland Europe since 1999. It is the first solar eclipse over mainland Spain in more than a century. This eclipse is expected to be one of the biggest astronomy events of 2026 and will attract millions of sky watchers and scientists from around the world. What is eclipse? Eclipse is an astronomical event that occurs when one celestial object moves into the shadow of another or passes between it and a viewer celestial. There are two main types of eclipse: solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse happens when the earth passes between the sun and the moon, causing earth's shadow to fall on the moon. What is solar eclipse? Solar eclipse occurs when the moon eclipses the sun. This means that the moon comes in between sun and the earth, thereby blocking the sun and preventing any sunlight from reaching to earth. Types of solar eclipse. There are four types of solar eclipse: total solar eclipse, partial solar eclipse, annual solar eclipse, and hybrid solar eclipse. Total solar eclipse. Total solar eclipse happens when the moon passes between the sun and earth, completely blocking the face of the sun. The sky becomes dark like twilight. The sun's outer atmosphere, called the corona, becomes visible. Diamond ring effect or Baily's beads is also noticeable during total solar eclipse, which occurs when some of the sunlight is able to reach earth because the moon's surface is not perfectly round. These imperfections due to craters and valleys allow sunlight to pass through, and this appears just like a bright shining diamond. Total solar eclipse is the rarest and most spectacular type for observers. Partial solar eclipse. Partial solar eclipse happens when moon passes between the sun and the earth, partially blocking the sun. As a result, some part of the sun is visible, whereas the blocked part appears dark. Daylight decreases slightly during partial solar eclipse. Sun never becomes completely hidden in partial solar eclipse. Partial solar eclipse is the most common type of solar eclipse. Next part is annual solar eclipse. Annual solar eclipse happens when moon passes between sun and the earth. When moon is at or near its farthest point from the earth, moon appears slightly smaller in annual solar eclipse. Moon does not completely cover the sun. As a result, moon appears as a dark disk on the top of a large bright disk, creating what looks like a ring around the moon. A ring of fire, just like a ring of fire. This is called most common type of solar eclipse. The last solar eclipse is hybrid solar eclipse. Hybrid solar eclipse is a rare type of solar eclipse. It shifts between an annual and total solar eclipse. During hybrid solar eclipse, Some locations on Earth will witness a moon completely blocking the sun, whereas other locations will observe enormous eclipse. During the solar eclipse, moon casts two main shadows on the Earth. Umbra, a full shadow area, and penumbra, partial shadow area. Umbra, dark center shadow. Observers here see a total solar eclipse. And in penumbra, lighter outer shadow. Observers here see a partial solar eclipse. At Penumbra, and the last shadow is at Penumbra. During this annual solar eclipse, another shadow region called Penumbra reaches the Earth. The total solar eclipse of 2026 is more than a beautiful sight. It's a rare opportunity to witness the incredible precision of our solar system. Thank you very much. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.